Do you mind if I record?
What?
Do you mind if I record the flight?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
It's the last thing you will see.
It's just for sending it to other people. I don't see it.
Ja.
Yes.
Ich weiß noch nicht so nah, aber ich schon. Aus? Ein.
So. When do you give me the command to unlock the landing gear? After
I will tell you in the air. After we have lost our
winds. Okay. No.
So we have time. There's no need. We can let it out. It's no problem. We don't have to retract it.
Okay.
Relax and
yes.
We are going.
Retract now?
Yeah, if you like, you can do.
Yes.
And
Lock. Yes.
Thank you. The same we have to do for landing, but